Zach and I were on our way to Colorado. We had to work at the X Games and we heard the conditions were going off in southern Utah. There's sort of an unusual El Nino winter, a lot of southern flow moving down there. So we decided to send one of our junior guides, Alexis Dupont, to score a few first ascents.
We've heard that southern Utah has not seen conditions like this in 30 years. I can't believe I'm lucky enough to be here when it's going off. Hi, I'm Alexis Dupont, First Ascent's junior guide, and welcome to southern Utah. When I was invited on this trip, I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. But when you're presented with an opportunity to do something new, something for the first time, you gotta go for it. This place has exceeded all of my expectations. It's awesome. You just feel like you're surrounded by sand castles, super good conditions, and sick lines to pick from. Who knows? It may be another 30 years before it happens again.